May mga placements sa birth chart na sobrang giving, trusting, kaya sila madaling ma-scam emotionally or financially. Check mo kung isa ka sa mga to. Sobrang empathic ng Pisces Moon, you feel people deeply kahit hindi nagsasalita. Pero dahil dito, madalas kang magtiwala. Kahit wala pang proof, scammers love your kindness. Tip, use your intuition, not just your heart. Venus in Cancer, when you love, you give your all. You nurture, protect, and sacrifice. Kaya kung may taong marunong umarte, madali silang makakapasok sa puso mo. Protect your energy, not everyone deserves your love. Neptune in first house, you come off dreamy and magnetic pero prone sa illusions. Madaling i-project ng ibang tao ang fantasies nila sa'yo. And minsan naniniwala ka rin. Tip, always fact-check feeling. 12th house Venus, mahilig sa secret love or impossible connections. Minsan, nahuhulog ka sa mga taong taken, unavailable, or manipulative. Scammers love operating in the shadows. And that's where this Venus like to love. Be careful! North Node in Pisces, your life lesson is about faith and surrender. Pero part of that journey is learning when not to trust. Hindi lahat ng tao may good intention kahit spiritual pa sila. Mercury in Libra, you want peace and fairness, pero in trying to understand both sides, minsan nadadala ka ng sugarcoat lies. Don't be afraid to speak up and say no. Meron ka ba sa mga placements na to? Comment mo kung alin at tandaan may power sa awareness. Hindi ka weak, you're just learning how to protect your energy.